MPCC President Manik Rao Thakre announces new review committee for drought relief in Maharashtra. Nationalist Congress Party to meet tomorrow and day after tomorrow to formulate strategies for the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Sharad Pawar to preside over the meeting. Hello and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. This is Sunita Bhatt. Now let's see the news in detail. Maharashtra Pradesh Congress Committee set up a new review committee to help people from the drought-affected areas of the state today. While addressing a press conference in the city, MPCC President Manik Rao Thakre announced that this committee will be established in various drought-affected districts around Maharashtra, including Aurangabad, Jalna, Beed, Osmanabad and Solapur. The committee will work together to tackle the immense drought situation in the state and will provide employment and food to people in these areas. Thakre also appealed to the drought-affected villagers to contact the block office and the MPCC control room for any kind of help in their respective regions.
राह पर सबने चलना चाहिए, सबने ये कहना चाहिए कि जितनी भी हमसे मदद होती हो तो मदद देनी चाहिए। तो हर वहाँ उद्योगपति हो या कोई कलाकार हो या कोई क्षेत्र में अलग अलग काम करने वाले क्षेत्र में कोई लोग हो, उन्हें सब मिलजुल कर ये जो हमारे ऊपर संकट आया हो इसको दूर करने के लिए पूरी तरह मदद देनी चाहिए।
And the Nationalist Congress Party will hold meeting of all senior leaders including State President and Members of Parliament starting tomorrow for the next 2 days in order to prepare strategies for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Union Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar and Minister for Heavy Industries Praful Patel will preside over the meetings. In the first conference that will be held tomorrow, discussions will be taken up with 8 Lok Sabha and 6 Rajya Sabha members along with prominent party leaders. The second meeting that will be held on 27th of April will have its focus on the 22 constituencies from where the NCP contested during the last Lok Sabha polls.
में सभी सीटों का हम जायजा लेंगे और ये 2 दिन की बैठक के बाद पार्टी आने वाले चुनाव में किस तरह से जाया जाए इसको लेके अपनी रणनीति तय करेगी और उसको लेकर हम काम पे लगेंगे।
And Hanuman Jayanti is being celebrated in an enthusiastic manner throughout the state. Today on the occasion, devotees visited Maruti temples from early morning to worship and celebrate Hanuman Jayanti. Shrines in and around Maharashtra, especially the Sri Motha Maruti Mandir in Parbhani district, had organized spiritual discourses and Katha Kirtan since dawn. Hanuman Chalisa continues at many places till sunset and prasad is being distributed to all the devotees. In Buldhana district, a giant statue of Hanuman, which is 105 feet long, was thronged by thousands of worshippers who offered Jal Abhishek.
है जग में कभी संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो, संकट मोचन नाम तिहारो।
And celebrities of the Tinsel town were spotted at the 71st Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Awards held at the Shanmukhanand Sabhagruh in Mumbai last evening. Legendary playback singer Lata Mangeshkar honored excellence in the field of arts, culture, theatre and social service at the ceremony. These awards are presented to mark the Memorial Day of Master Dinanath Mangeshkar, the father of the veteran singer.
The highly celebrated Dinanath Mangeshkar Award was given away to various deserving candidates in the city. The Master Dinanath Award for Music was given to singer Suresh Wadkar. He said that he is honored to receive the award from the music legend Lata Mangeshkar.
मैं बहुत ऋणी हूँ इस परिवार का, इसी तरह उनका प्यार और मोहब्बत मुझे मिलती रहे, यही मैं प्रार्थना करूँगा। मेरे माई बाप रसिक बंधु भगिनी जो मुझे सुन के हमेशा आशीर्वाद देते रहते हैं, उनका भी मुझे आशीर्वाद जब तक मैं इस दुनिया में हूँ तब तक मिले, यही मैं उनके चरणों में प्रार्थना करूँगा।
The Mohan Bagh Puraskar was given to Sunil Barve, the founder of Subhak Sanstha, for representing milestone dramas in past decades. The Anandmay Puraskar was conferred upon Neela Shroff, the founder of Vatsalya for social service. Vandana Gupte was honoured with the Master Dinanath Vishesh Puraskar for dedicated services to Marathi theatre and cinema. The Vagvilasini Puraskar was given to Ratnakar Matkari for literature. Ganpatrao Patil was awarded Master Dinanath for social service. Actor Jaya Bachchan, who was not present at the ceremony, was awarded Master Dinanath Vishesh Puraskar for dedicated services to Indian theatre and cinema. The Memorial Day of Master Dinanath Mangeshkar is celebrated by Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Smriti Pratishthan by awarding legendary musicians, dramatists, artists and social workers with prestigious Dinanath Award. Shama Mishra's report for DD News, Mumbai.
And the 12th Navratna Awards were held at the Doordarshan Kendra Varli in Mumbai. The guest of honor was Governor of Maharashtra K. Shankar Narayanan. Dignitaries like Jawahar Sirkar, Tripurari Sharan, actor Shabana Azmi, Govinda and Jitendra also graced the event. The Navratnas included Bhimrao Panchale, Jabbar Patel, Vidya Bal and Farida Lam